Hello everybody, welcome to MTX. We're located here in Glen Island, Virginia, and today we're going to be looking at our 2025 Diamond C LPT. This trailer is packed full of features and also comes in an amazing color, which is red, which helps you stand out from the competition straight from the bat. As you can see, it's operated on a telescopic lift. It's a dump trailer with a 7-gauge Super Duty body. The payload capacity on this trailer is 9,410 pounds. The GVWR is 14,900. Its floor length is 168 inches and the floor width is 82 inches. This is the ultimate Diamond C dump trailer that they have to offer. The LPT is no joke. So let's get started off with the features. We have the Demco Easy Latch coupler, the best coupler in the market. We have our solar charger right in the front. We have a 12K drop leg jack. We also have storage right behind it. Of course, you got the telescopic lift, and behind that is the tarp. And as we go further, we can see the step stool right there on the side. And the trailer is operated on an I-beam frame. It has 10-gauge sides, 32-inch tall sides, which are 10-gauge. It has two 7,000-pound Super Lube axles. You can see the diamond-plated fenders along with the wheels. And you get a lot of space for the price you pay for this. Look at that. It also has 4 D-rings too. You can also see the barn doors, pull-out ramps, and also the LED lights as well. This trailer also has a spare tire mount as well. It comes with the tire too. Aside from that, this is an amazing trailer at an amazing price point. Nobody's quite doing it like us. If you're interested in this trailer, please call us or text us with the number down below. Or you can visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. We're located in Glen Island, Virginia. We have financing on any and all of our trailers. We can't wait to see you on the lot. Thank you and have an amazing day.